Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 63. Not 63, 62. Actually, it's 62. I just mistakenly mentioned it. So, it's day 62 of EJ Show, English to English Show, and it's totally, and it's totally warm and warm for the moment. And it's about today, it's completely of some rain. Today, it's entirely full of rain over the time. So, can you see the change that I just making my mustache uh, to up? So I hope that you just having enjoying it, or is any disturbance for you to see like this way? So I am. It's my first experience to presenting me in this kind of way to you all, guys. So I hope that you will enjoy it, or otherwise you will please it over me. So we are just kickstart our episode with our first segment, which is vocabulary bank, and we are just first. Initially, we are just planning for reviewing the last three words which we already been taught in the last episode. So without losing any seconds. So the first word is legitimacy, accordance with the law. Enjoy it, enchayot, enchayot, INCHOATE, enchayot. Only partly in existence. The last word is paranoid, feeling extremely nervous and worried because you believe that other people do not like you or are trying to harm you. That's all. And that's all for reviewing segment. And we are just moving over to the new fresh vocabulary. And we only have two of the new vocabulary. It's because we get that kind of shortage for the moment. So for next day itself, we just will go on with the normal routine, which is the reviewing process only. Sure. So hope that you will comfortably support me in this day. So without losing any seconds, we are going over to that. The first word is fathomless, fathomless, fathomless. FATHOMLESS, fathomless. And it means that unable to be measured or understood extremely deep. And the next word is it's something what related to this word. And the next word is unfathomable, unfathomable. The spelling is UNFATHOMABLE, unfathomable, and it means that so deep that the bottom cannot be reached or incapable of being fully understood. That's all. And that's all for today's episode. And we are just winding up segment. And I am just mentioning or being reminding you that we are just uh, having that kind of lack of new vocabulary. So if you have any new vocabulary within your hand, then you should mention in the comment box, and I will just use that. And if it's new for or fresh for me, and otherwise I won't use, but if it's fresh for me or a new vocabulary or new word for me, then I will introduce in the next four future episodes. So hope that you will just support me and assist in this situation. So I am just also in search of some new vocabulary. So if time allows, everything will be okay, and we are just doing any burden over it. And so we are just moving over to the next segment, which is the open fire. For today, I don't have any much, or pretty sure that I don't want to follow any strict norms over the segment. So we are just planning for reviewing a movie which I watched a few hours late before. So it's a usually it should be a Hollywood movie, and the name is Shutter Island, and it's shortly what IM IMDb is rating. It's about 8.1 out of 10. So we can see it should be above 10, above 5. It should be a what watchable or should have that kind of quality. So I don't see whether it's completely of acting what. acting kind of movie. So I don't want to focus on that kind of acting wise, but I need the subject wise. I totally enjoy the content or the subject or the thread that they are discussing about. So here it's completely of what miserably connecting with the audience with a thread which is completely foolishing ourselves in another dimension. That's the only thing that we can see here. And the actor very well. DiCaprio is the main lead actor, and he is using this movie as proving himself as an actor. So I don't like, not like, but I just mentioned mean that I just want to enjoy or entertaining kind of movies. So if the thread or the whether it should be have what moral values, nothing like that, but it should be watchable, and the content they are discussing with we should have that kind of quality or something unique in its kind. So that I am just looking forward, and I just liked it, and I just watched that kind of movie in Mollywood itself, and it's about Adiran, and it's uh, lead role being played by Fahad Fasil, and it's surely that kind of movie, and it's surely what the main centric lead character centric movie. It revolves over that character, and he's completely of a psycholic what psychotic person who has some mental disturbance happened in his life. It's because her wife has been uh, murdered by himself. It's because she has some mental disabilities. That's why she just thrown up the children's over the river. So it made him mad, and that ends up to murder her, and that's why he just came here. But it's initially it's completely what made or present to the audience as a investigator who has come to the jail for investigating some missing cases as well, and it should be round up at last with this summary or this climax scene. So I totally I I I have that kind of instincts at the initial stage itself, that he is completely of some out of what mental health. That's why he is behaving like this, and I totally liked and also loved the acting ways. He's totally what mesmerized. Oh, I don't like this kind of genre. That's why I totally agree with the movie. So if you like that kind of movies or the drama kind of genre, then you surely will watch it. So I totally like that kind of magic scenes. In each scenes we can see some magic, and it should be what counted counted one above the all. It should be piled over all above the above, and after at the climax scene we can see that kind of entertained over it. So that kind of feel should be happened, and I am just looking over to that kind of effect in my movie experience. So it's totally watchable movie, and that kind of quality is there, but it's only what experiencing, or he just challenging himself as an actor. That's only thing in this movie. So it's not fascinating me, and it's about the content or the script that fascinates me, and if there is something new or fresh is there, I will surely will enjoy that content. If the actress is not perfect as in the roles, but the content is very much fresh or new, or has its own unique features or character behavior, then I will totally enjoy that movies. And it's only my review, and it's not about the whole review or anything like that, but the entirely it's on internet providing that kind of 8.1 rating. It should be a ultra standard movie, but in my view, as I have that kind of view, right, perceptions, etc. So that way I have to mention that here. So that's only reason why I just mention here in that kind of way. So please do watch that, and if you have the same response, do mention that also in the comment box. So after that I just have to, I don't have much more other plans today. It's because from the early morning itself there is some heavy rain, not heavy but a medium level or the average at par kind of, kind of like rain is there from the morning itself. Not only the morning, it's continuously focusing on the day itself. Daytime it's completely of rain, and it's something it, way only right the moment, and that's why I just taken the video right now. And it's because I just have that kind of lateness. It's due to the, I just watched that movie and it's completely over 5 p.m. That's the only, I just have to take some break over that. That's why I just hear some music with my speaker, and I that makes me such refreshment over the time. So after that I just take this video. So hope that you have enjoying your day. And it's about what, yeah, yesterday I just mentioned that I have to call the Norco office for some queries, so I don't even call today. And it's about what today it's morning some sofa makers are made some repairs over my home sofa. So that's something special, which is not, which is unusual. So they came here and they just made it, and it should be what prepared well as well. The color is, or the design is being designed by my father. So I have some other opinion over the pattern or the color. So he won't agree with me, and it's totally of his desire over the color and pattern. So I totally enjoying the pattern, and if I have to implement anything that I like, then I should be earned, right? Then only I have that kind of value in my world. So I just have to try it out in my future uh, endeavors. So I'm just hoping everything will be done at its the peak time. So everything will happen, man. So just keep on cooling or keep on trying. That's it. Be calm and peaceful and serene for the moment, and that's all. And every birds, or I can see here that every birds are going back to their home. So hope that we are just it's time to wind up today's episode. So we are just hoping that everyone is enjoying our video. So hope that it should be a sole preparation, but it's a combined operation. So you should support me in this operation or the process. So keep on support me in this journey. So be involved in this process. That's all. And we are just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 62, right? 62 of EGA show, English show. And here Jitin signing off. Bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye.